Hey guys, welcome to Apna Desi Vlogger. Today I'm here at the Party City. Party City is a shop in America that usually gives you everything that you need to do a party at home, whether it's a farewell party, anniversary party, birthday party. They also deliver things at home. If you order online and you select the delivery date, they will schedule date and time, and you can get things at home, or you can buy online and come and pick it up from the counter. आपका स्वागत है पार्टी सिटी में। पार्टी सिटी जो है ये अमेरिका की एक बेस्ट चेन है। अगर आपके घर में दावतें हो रही हैं या बर्थडे पार्टी, एनिवर्सरी पार्टी या फिर वैलेंटाइन आजकल ज़ोर पे है, क्योंकि फरवरी 14 पूरा अमेरिका वैलेंटाइन मनाता है, तो सारा कुछ वैलेंटाइन के बलून्स आ गए हैं यहाँ पे। You have beautiful collection of heart-shaped balloons, and all these Valentine cuddles are here. So also they have wearables. They have all these cake stands. So I see the Valentine aisle is already ready with beautiful hearts on display. Let me give you a price on this. This is 2 hearts together and it's $3.30. This is a beautiful garland for your door. So that's for $16. There's another one here, very pretty, for $8. There's a love sign, XOXO. Happy Valentine's Day. They have beautiful quarter plates here with a heart shape. I also see the round big plate where you can decorate candies and cupcakes, as well as chocolates, sweets, cake pastries, whatever you like, dry fruits, whatever you like to display. So they have some bowls here which are $3.50 and are beautiful red in color. They are plastic. They have big round trays too. So the store is well decorated with Valentine stuff. They have big this paper lanterns for $14. They have this garland, beautiful red and white, to set up on the wall for $11. The garland is for $15, sorry. So the $11 ones are the white paper lanterns. Rose petals. We have heart-shaped swirl decoration for $8. Happy Valentine's. The wall art, we put it on the wall for $11. They have a beautiful heart piñata for $22 if you have a party at home. So piñata will be a good use. They have everything in green here. So Party City is well known for all kind of party, wig party, hair color party, makeup, face makeup, hair extensions, and purple, everything purple. So they also have theme plates, whatever color you like, starting from gold theme, which is right here. So everything is displayed, from table covers, plates, as well as napkins, cutleries like forks, spoons, and table napkins. This is a silver theme. So everything in silver is right here. Glasses, plates, all kind of plates. ये सारा है यहाँ पर जो है। मैं देख रही हूँ इनके पास टेबल वेयर के पूरे किट भी है, जो कि $27 के हैं। अब 20 कर दिए हैं, टुडे ऑन सेल फॉर 20 पीपल का किट है पूरा। फिर इनके पास ये बूफे के बड़े बड़े ट्रेज हैं, डिस्पोजेबल ट्रेज विद लिड्स. Tray is $2.30 each and lid is $1.80. They have all shapes and sizes trays available. They also have the clear ones here, so stainless steel ones. Let me see. Yeah, this is stainless steel for $16. They have plates here. That's a beautiful plate here. It's a set. So all the theme plates are here. They have glasses at the bottom. There's table covers here. They're golden plates. अगर आपके घर में शादी है या कोई फंक्शन है या तो आप ये गोल्डन प्लेट सेट ऑफ 4 है ये. The size of this is 33 centimeters, 13 inch. I see that wall art celebrate love. They have for Valentine all kind of golden heart puff balloons, and then there is a whole beautiful wall art here with a horse, moon, fish. They have decorated it very pretty here in Party City. I see they also have this balloon time. That's like a box. If you have lot of balloons and you want to put air on it, you can have this box. So they can pump the air very fast. It's called balloon time. They come in different sizes here. Maximize your float time. The latex balloon can be that fills air. This fills air. The price on this I will let you know little later because not price is not mentioned here. All theme balloons are here. Whatever you like, there are all kind of balloons. Babies, this is for baby. If you have a baby shower, this is the right place to pick up those things. Guest towels are here, all kind of themed towels, paper napkins for table, whatever you like. They're all $5 each. They have clear glasses right here. They have even brass cutlery. If you have a brass theme, these are different paper. Rectangular table covers, pink color, shimmery ones, you know. They're beautifully shimmery. Let me show you whether you can see the shimmer on this. The same thing comes in gold. $17.50 is the price for that. Oh, I see the whole lot of I love you balloons coming in 4 to 5 different colors. There is pink, red with I love you sign, a red one which is just plain, and they have more on here. So there are 12 balloons for $26. So that's the price. They also keep cards here. For Valentine cards are already here. तो ये सारे जो है Valentine के कार्ड आ गए हैं मार्केट में. आप अपने हस्बैंड के लिए आके अच्छे से चूज करिए. दे ऑल्सो बर्थडे कार्ड भी है यहाँ पर. हैप्पी बर्थडे की भी आपको प्लेस मिल जाएंगी. हैप्पी बर्थडे साइन आपको बाहर रखने के लिए मिल जाएगा. So I see lot of good stuff they have here. Happy birthday sign for $9. पूरा वॉल के लिए है वो. They also have gift cards. Gift cards are all set here. So अगर आपको कुछ गिफ्ट समझ नहीं आया तो आप गिफ्ट कार्ड दे दीजिए. So mostly that $25 gift cards here. $50 की भी है, $100 की भी है. So they have a gift card wall which is easy if you want to gift and you don't know what to give a gift card. Starbucks, Uber, AMC, Cracker Barrel, Applebee's. They also have, if you want to invite people on a kid's birthday, तो ये बड़ा अच्छा सा डिज्नी की मिकी माउस है थीम यहाँ पर. That's so very cute. And all the piñatas, large ones are going for $20. They are on sale. These are all different kind of piñatas. किसी की बर्थडे है 18 की और वो 18 बर्थडे का डेकोरेशन बना रहा है. आज किसी की 18 बर्थडे होने वाली है. The boys are fixing the balloons for somebody who's going to party. There's another party for a 4-year-old. So you can come here, you can ask the staff to make whatever theme you have, and these guys will help you making that theme. They also have things like a chocolates in a coin shape for $1. जब बच्चे घर से वापस जाते हैं तो उनको एक रिटर्न गिफ्ट दिया जाता है. They also give free delivery and schedules the day you want to get everything at home. They can help you with that. Also, they have this 3 for 13 King Pop Sour. Candies are here. Ring pops are there for 3 for 13. See, they have different kind of $1 each candies with a stick on it. These are just all $1. Yeah, you can put it in a bag, like a giveaway bag to kids. They have M&Ms for $3, 3 for 13. 3 packets for 13. So I think we had a good time here. They have a royal crown here, beautiful with lot of diamonds all over for just $5. And they have this hat here, Dr. Seuss hat. Dr. Seuss hat is also for just $5. So come on guys, you can come inside and enjoy here in Party City and have a good time with a lot of balloons blowing up here.